Welcome to episode 14, the exciting new H4 installer. Yes, it's the full Monty. Install everything, including all the tools, with a single command. But first, please subscribe to the channel, click on the like button, click the bell icon to get notified, and support me on Patreon if you can. There's a link in the description below. I'm not going to go through the installation procedure, that's covered in detail on the website. But after installation of the installer, you should see a folder like this. What we also have on the screen here is the Arduino Tools folder, currently empty, the Arduino Libraries folder, currently empty, and the Network Explorer showing all of the H4 devices that I have online at the moment. Also, we've got the command line interface here, which we'll look at in a moment, but first of all, let's get H4 plugins installed. Now, when using Windows, you use the install bat, and when using it to install the H4 plugins, you need to run as administrator. The reason why is explained on the website. But if you type the name correctly, the following should occur. I'm just going to move that and expand it so that we can see what's going on more easily. So there it is, downloading the tools. It's now checking the latest version of H4, finding that you don't have it installed, so it's installing it. We can see that down here, look. It will shortly install PNB Tools. There it is, and I shall now pause so we can jump to the end and keep this short. And through the magic of time travel, there we have it. We have installed all of the tools required for both 32 and 8266. We've installed all of the libraries required, including the async support TCP for 32 and 66, and we've also installed because we're on Windows, the web UI interface here. So if we have a look, we can on, off or toggle any of the devices. Jumping now to the famous traffic light device in the live window and its web user interface up here. Let's just make sure that's working correctly. Switch it on, it goes on, switch it off, it goes off. That looks good. Let us now test the new context menu for Windows. Let's put it on. Lo and behold, let's put it off. Also working, and let's toggle it twice. There we have it. Moving now to the command line window, you can see in the command history there are some of the commands I've used. The I flag is if you know the IP address, the D flag is if you know the device name, and the C flag is if all you know is the chip ID. So let's just test that. This will work on any OS. The Windows obviously only works on Windows, but we can, for example, activate it on with the chip ID, activate it off with the IP address, and we can toggle it with the device name. And that's about all there is to it. I hope you will agree that that makes the whole process much more user-friendly and much quicker, and also it prevents conflicts with library versions and any other problems of that ilk. Just before I go, I have noticed that the blue light is flashing. That just shows me that my MQTT server's gone offline. So I'm going to disappear and fix that, and I'm going to hope you have had a nice day so far and will continue to do so. As always, thanks for watching. Please remember to subscribe, like, click the notification button and support me on Patreon if you can. Thanks, and see you next time.